Peace, crochet friends. Welcome to the channel. Today we are learning the fantail stitch. Okay, we're going to learn this together. This requires you to know the basics of half double crochet, double crochet, the V-stitch, and we're going to work the fan stitch as well. All right. If you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe and the like before you go. If you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. I'm grateful to have you here with me, and make sure you hit the like as well. All right. I'm using a 4-ply worsted weight acrylic yarn today and a 5.5 hook. And as always, if you would like your project to be smaller, you can go with a smaller hook. If you'd like your stitches to be bigger, you can use a larger hook, okay? Make sure you check me out on Instagram, and I also have an Etsy page where you can watch me make and package and ship all my products that I make for my Etsy customers, all right? Let's get started. This stitch requires us to start with a chain in a multiple of 10, all right? So I'm going to do 20 chains plus 1. Okay, so I did 20 chains plus 1. Okay. Okay, we are ready for round 1. Pardon the noise, guys. It is grass cutting day. All right, so we're going to do 1 single crochet into the second chain from the hook, which is here. Okay, 1 single crochet, and then 1 single crochet into the next. All right, we're going to skip 3 chains and then work our fan in the very next stitch. So the fan is going to consist of 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then a chain 1, and then another 3 double crochet into that same space. 1, 2, and 3. And there's our fan. All right. We're going to skip the next 3 chains, and into the very next one, we will put 1 single crochet. All right. We're now going to chain 1. We're going to skip 1 chain, and into the next, we will do 1 single crochet. Okay. We're now going to repeat what we did at the beginning, which is skipping 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. And then into the next one, we're going to work a fan. All right. Remember that the fan is 3 double crochet, chain 1, and another 3 double crochet into the same space. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. We're now going to skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 1 single crochet into the very last chain of this round. All right. So this is what we have at the end of round 1. Okay, we are now ready for round 2, and we are going to chain up 2, 1, 2, turn our work, and then do 1 half double crochet into the first stitch of this row. We're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then do 1 single crochet into the center space of the fan. So that space is here. Okay, 1 single crochet. All right, we're now going to chain 3 again. 1, 2, and 3, and then work a V-stitch into the next space. So the next space is going to be here where we did that chain 1 from the previous round. All right, so the V-stitch is going to be a half double crochet into the space, chain 1, and then another half double into the space. Okay, that gives us the V-stitch. All right, we're now going to repeat by chaining 3, 1, 2, 3, a single crochet into the center of our next fan. So here's the space, the center of the fan. We're going to put a single crochet in there, and then we're going to chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and then work a V-stitch into the next space, which is here. And you just look for it, you'll find that chain space there. We're going to put a V-stitch in there, which remember is a half double, chain 1, half double into the same space. All right? Okay. To end this round, we're now going to put 2 half doubles into the last stitch of this round. So that's 1, and 2. Okay, so this ends round 2. All right, so now we're going to start next with round 3. We're going to chain up 3, 1, 2, and 3. Turn our work. We're going to put 3 double crochets into this first stitch. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to do 1 single crochet into the next chain 3 arch. So that means here, this is our chain 3. We're going to put a single crochet into that space there. All right, chain 1, and then 1 single crochet into the next space, the next chain 3 space. All right, so that's what we have. Okay, we're now going to work a fan into the center space of our V-stitch here. Okay. Okay, there's our V-stitch. And now we're just going to repeat what we did, starting with another single crochet into the next chain 3 space, chain 1, and then another single crochet in the next chain 3 space. All right. To get to the end of this round, we're going to work 4 double crochet in that last stitch, and this will end round 3. So right into the top of our starting chains, we're going to put 4 double crochet in that same stitch. This is 3 and 4. Okay, so we're at the end of round 3, and this is what we have. Okay, so for round 4, we're going to chain 1, turn our work, do 1 single crochet into the first stitch. We're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then V-stitch into the next space, which is here. Okay, so the V-stitch is a half double, chain 1, and half double. Okay, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 single crochet into the center of the fan, which is here. All right, we're going to repeat that again. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, V-stitch into the next space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 single crochet into the top of our turning chain, which is down here. Okay, and that is the end of round 4. All right. Now to start round 5, we're going to chain 1, turn our work. This is what we have. Okay, we're going to do 1 single crochet into the first stitch here, 1 single crochet into this chain space arch. We're going to do a fan into the next V-stitch here, into that space of the V-stitch. We're putting a fan. Okay, and then 1 single crochet again into the next space or arch we have here. We're going to chain 1, and then we're going to repeat again. So into the next arch or chain space, we're going to do a single crochet, and then another fan stitch into the center space of our V-stitch. Okay, fan is 3 double crochet, chain 1, and then another 3 double crochet into the same space. Okay, one single crochet into the next chain space. We're going to end this round with 1 single crochet into the last stitch here, and then we would turn and continue. So to continue this pattern, you're just going to repeat round 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, you're just repeating what you did. All right, so let's do another row together. So if we continue, we would do the next row the same as we did for round 2, which is chaining 2. Okay, turn our work. 1 half double into the first stitch here. Okay, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. A single crochet into the center of our fan. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And then a V-stitch into the next space, which is here. Okay. And then we would chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And then single crochet into the center of our fan. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And then a V-stitch into the next space, which is here. All right. And then you would repeat round 3 would be next. All right. At the end of this, you're going to do 2 half double into that same space, the very last stitch that we have here. All right. And that is our fan stitch pattern. Oh, it's cute. It's cute. Okay. You guys leave me a comment. Let me know if you enjoyed working on this stitch. Let me know what you made from this stitch and share it with the rest of us here on the channel. All right, make sure you hit the like and the subscribe before you go. I will be back with another tutorial and we'll learn some more motifs and borders and lots of fun things. All right, peace to you.